Here they come back at the end of the journey and we're in Richmond. It's all very nice. Here they come. Beautiful sunset evening. Swans and... Matt! Matt! Sorry, I'm shouting. I think he's turning round. Here they come. A lot of people watching. Robert will be embarrassed. Maybe not. Shall we not? Here they come. You look weary. How was it?
Tide's turned now, man. You can see it running, can't you? You can also feel it. It's a lot harder going this way, isn't it? Sit down.
Hello. I am doing. Oh, we've had fenders, have we? There we go.
That's all right. That's all right.
Oh, have you been through the lock?
No.
Do you want flip-flops, Andy? It's slippy, be careful.
Steady. Give me the other arm. Right, Rob. Steady there. That's it, Andy. That's it. Good job. That's it, okay? Come on, Rob.
You're very low in the back. Here you go, Rob.
I'm all right, mate. I'm an experienced stab at this. I've been to the
School. All right, give us a thumbs up. I'll take your picture then in a minute. Brilliant stuff.